In this video, you'll learn how to join the Base44 community and support its initiatives. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you successfully navigate the process from start to finish. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Base44 website. You can do this by entering the URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Base44 homepage, which includes various options and features available to you. Next, look for the section where you can describe your app idea. This area is typically highlighted for user engagement and may feature templates to inspire your submission. Take a moment to review the available templates or enter your app idea in the designated text field. Completing this step helps you connect with the community and share your vision. After that, locate the community option on the navigation menu. This is usually positioned prominently on the homepage. Clicking this will take you to the community section, where you can find more resources and interaction opportunities with other members. Once you are in the community section, look for a button that says Join Us On. This action is essential for connecting with the Base44 community. Clicking on this will reveal further options and pathways to engage with fellow users. Now, find the link that indicates Discord. This button is crucial as it directs you to the Base44 Discord server. Clicking on it will open a new window or tab where you will be prompted to join the Discord community. Next, you will see an invitation message from MS Base44 inviting you to join. Click on the link that states MS Base44, help Base41 _51 invited you to join. This step is necessary to gain access to the discussions and resources available in the Discord server. After accepting the invitation, look for the option that says Base44 within the Discord interface. Clicking this will take you to the main channel dedicated to Base44 discussions and updates. Once you are in the Base44 channel, find and click on the Open App button. This will allow you to access additional features and functionalities provided by Base44 within the Discord platform. Now, navigate to the option labeled Open Discord. Clicking this will prompt the Discord application to launch, enabling you to interact with community members seamlessly. Finally, you will be prompted to accept your SAOCR. Clicking this confirms your membership and associates your Discord account with the Base44 community. After completing this action, you should see a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully joined the community. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.